Okay. This is stuff I have. Okay. I have a car. I have money, not much. And over here this is who owns my stuff. A bank, that's a cushion there, pig. And then this is me, okay? This is an old scale from China I got on eBay. It's not in perfect condition, as you can tell. And I'm an idiot, I don't know how to use it. And this here is me, okay? And this is Arya Stark, by the way, from Game of Thrones. Awesome. So, stuff I have right here, okay, is equal to, let me turn this around. I burned this in, had fun doing this. Stuff I have is equal to who owns my stuff, meaning a bank or me, and it has to balance. It has to balance. This is a balance sheet. That's how I explain it. So everything is owned by either you or a bank or somebody else, okay? So these here are assets, okay? And these here assets have to equal liabilities plus equity, okay? So this car and this money is stuff I have. Who owns this? Well, me, equity, plus a bank. Here's an example, okay? So it has to balance perfectly. So let's say that my only possession I have, forget about cash, is a car, and it costs $100. Okay, that's what I have. It's an asset, okay? Well, who owns that $100 car? Well, let's say I own $50 of it, and the other $50 is from the bank of Toyota. So assets of $100 car has to equal liabilities, meaning debt of $50 from the bank and $50 from me, meaning equity. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. Whenever you hear the word equity, it means ownership. What do I own? Okay, whenever you hear the word liabilities, it means debt. What do I owe? So again, assets is stuff I have and who owns my stuff. And that's basically the same thing as saying assets equals liabilities plus equity. And if you rearrange this formula, it makes a lot of sense as well. Because we know assets equals liability plus equity. So what is equity then? Equity is just assets minus liabilities. Equity means your worth, your net worth. So your net worth is assets minus liabilities, which makes sense.